We're going to show you right now how to sew face mask using just a single needle. First, we're going to tack the top elastic, which is 15 inches, and then the second elastic that goes to the neck is 11 inches. We're tacking it right now on both sides, left and right. Just using single needle for all the operations. And now we're going to put the other ply, the top ply, and we're going to sew all sides so we can create a clean finish mask. We will sew all sides using single needle. Sewing the last side, which is the bent side, and we will leave like 1.5 inch so you can reverse the mask to the right side. She's reversing it right now and putting it to the right side. And then we will have to sew the 1.5 inch opening that was left out. Now we are going to make the 3 pleats. The pleat is located 7/8 from the top, and then the pleat depth is 1/4 inch. There will be 3 pleats on one side and another 3 pleats on the other side. This makes your width at 3.5 inches, your lateral measurements. So we have to do it on the other side. Make sure that the pleats are facing down on both sides so it will look nice. Now we've got the finished mask.